subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new V series phone in Malaysia called Vivo V25e, with color-changing technology that changes the color when exposed to sun or UV light. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo V25e features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo V25e supports a triple camera setup in a large squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 32MP selfie camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4500mAh battery that supports 44W fast charging, and it runs on Android 12 based on FunTouchOS 12 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.2 by 74.2 by 7.79mm, and it weighs around 183 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo V25e has been priced in Malaysia at 1,399 Malaysian ringgits. And it will be available for purchase in the country in Diamond Black and Sunrise Gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo V25e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.